New research from Investors Group shows that 1 in 3 Canadians believe that socially responsible investing is more important to them today than it was 5 years ago. In 1987, Investors Group launched one of the first socially responsible funds in Canada. Recently, the Investors Summa Fund family expanded to include 2 new funds. Dan McClure is a portfolio manager with Investors Group and an expert on socially responsible investing.
You have an aging population that has more money to be put into financial assets, and at the same time they're evaluating the status of the environment that we're going to be passing on to the next generation. I think that youth culture is more in tune with some of the social environmental issues that the world is facing today, and certainly the media is reporting more on these issues to reflect the desires and the interests of their audience.
Executive Director of the social investment organization Eugene Elman comments further.
The misconception that you underperform with socially responsible investment used to be quite a big misconception years ago, but we're winning the argument. And we're winning the argument now because of the performance of the indexes that have done so well over the last few years.
56% of Canadians believe environmental considerations are an important part of any socially responsible investment decision.
Where you have not been able to invest as heavily in some of the traditional sectors such as energy or materials, certainly there are alternatives: solar power, wind power, biogas, biomass facilities, etc. And there are a lot of interesting companies that are bringing innovative technology solutions to bear on what is essentially a very large global problem.
Other important factors Canadians consider when choosing socially responsible investments include prohibitions against alcohol or tobacco, weapons, child labor, and poor human rights practices. The research reveals Canadians are increasingly sensitive to social and environmental issues and more sophisticated in their definition of socially responsible investing.